Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 3rd of September 2020 question number 19. A by cos of theta is equal to B by cos theta plus pi by 2 pi by 3 is equal to C by cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. Then find angle between vectors A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap and B I cap plus C j cap plus A k cap if theta is equal to 2 pi by 9 and A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1. Then four options are given. Theta between the if theta is equal to 2 pi by 9 and two conditions are given. This is a question in the house of vector and it's a memory based question. So our given condition is A by cos of theta is equal to B by cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to C by cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3. Now that is equal to, we may write just A plus B plus C divide cos of theta plus cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3, and it is given we know that it is known the equation, that is cos of theta plus cos phi plus cos something, anything. We may write this one, denominator is as 0. It is known to us A plus B plus C is equal to 0. That implies denominator is 0, so we may write A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So it is the condition we get from this equation, from these equalities. So now squaring this, we get squaring the vectors, so we get A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. And A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1 is given here. So it is equal to 1 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. That implies AB plus BC plus CA is equal to minus half. So another it is, so firstly we reached that A plus B plus C is equal to 0, and secondly AB plus BC plus CA is equal to minus of half. Let phi is the angle. Phi is the angle between two vectors. Phi is the angle between two vectors. These two vectors are given. So theta is already in the question. So we suppose that phi is the angle of the between two vectors. So cos of phi is equal to, we write A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap into B I cap plus C j cap plus A k cap divide root over of A square plus B square plus C square into b square plus c square plus a square. It is known to us that it is equal to 1 given, and similarly we write it is also 1. So calculating the numerator, we get AB plus BC plus CA, because denominator is 1 here, and AB plus BC plus CA is equal to, we know it is minus half. So it is minus half. So we reached that cos of phi is equal to minus half. So phi is equal to, that implies phi is equal to 2 pi by 3. So we reached, it is our required answer, because question asks vector between angle between the two vector. So our option is option 3. So here is the whole solution. I especially think it is a moderate type of question. Most of the students may be confused, because the big here is the angle between the two vectors. This line may be confused most of the student. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.